Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these almond butter cookies. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make almond butter cookies, kind of like a peanut butter cookie, but we're going to use almond butter and they're really, really delicious. So to start, we've got 2/3 of a cup of almond flour in this bowl, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of xanthan gum. So you might be thinking, like, what the heck is that? Why are you putting some weird ingredient in the cookies? So xanthan gum is really good at bringing ingredients together, thickening ingredients, and making the cookies chewy. If we don't add the xanthan gum, then they get kind of really crumbly. You can find it at most grocery stores. I buy it at Walmart. And if you are wondering, I've never seen or heard of that ingredient before, just look on the labels of like most ice creams, soups, stuff like that. You're going to see xanthan gum on the ingredient list. So it's actually a very common ingredient. So I'm going to stir these ingredients together. Make sure there's no clumps of baking powder. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of butter, softened butter, and 1 cup of almond butter. So this is unsweetened almond butter, and it is creamy almond butter. You could use crunchy if you want, but I'm using soft. And also 1 packed cup of sugar-free brown sugar. I like to use Swerve. I think it's the best keto-friendly brown sugar that I've tried. I'm sure I haven't tried all of them, but I really like this one. So now we're going to, I guess let me go ahead and just add this stuff. A teaspoon of vanilla, might as well, and 1 beaten egg. So now we're gonna mix this all up until it comes together. Okay, we've got our batter ready. It looks nice and it gets nice and thick. So we are going to actually refrigerate this for about 20 minutes just so it is even more firm. Okay, our cookie dough chilled in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. So now I'm going to use this scoop. It is a 2 tablespoon scoop, and I'm going to scoop about 15 cookies out onto this lined sheet tray. I love using these scoops because it makes just such perfect cookies. Perfect cookies and perfect muffins. Okay, we've got our cookies all dished out, and now I'm going to do the traditional cross hatch with a fork. You don't have to do this. You can bake them just as they are, but I think it looks nice. I sprayed this fork with cooking spray just to make it a little bit easier to pull it off of the cookies. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, here are our cookies out of the oven, and they look fantastic. Look at that cute pattern, and they're chewy. Look at the inside of those. They're so, so delicious. So be sure you check out that recipe. And you also might want to check out my keto peanut butter cookie recipe. So if you're on Facebook, you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for peanut butter cookies. Or if you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here. It'll take you right to the video where I made the peanut butter cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.